video. Today I'm going to be doing a slime background video. I took out my old background and I was filming a background with actually using real slime, and it didn't work. It did work. I was putting it on paper and letting the slime drip, and it was just too heavy. It wouldn't hold itself on the wall with tape and stuff. So today I'm going to be doing another slime background, but it's going to be designed like slime. It's actually going to be paper, and I'm going to color it like slime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's hop right into it, where I sketch out like some slime designs, like slime drips, and I'm really excited. Let's hop right into it. So I did a time lapse in the car with my clipboard that I did in my clipboard makers video, and I came out with 3 pieces. They're all connected on the wall, and I'm gonna cut like on the drips, I guess, and then it's like all connected, and I'm gonna put it on the wall. So I cut out one of the pieces, and here's what it looks like. I left a white outline just so I don't, those are actually gel pens, like the darker outlines, so that I don't cut them out on accident. And I have 2 more left to go, and here it is so far. By the way, in the time lapse, I was coloring in the car, so that's why there's like the gray cup holder thing that was coming on camera. But 1 down, 2 left to go. And by the way, I did it on cardstock, so if you want to do it, I would recommend actually doing it on cardstock, so it doesn't like, there's not like marks all over it and stuff, and it's better. But yeah, let's cut this out. It's tape time now. We're gonna tape it on the wall, and you have to take the Valentine's Day board off, like decor off, because it's not Valentine's Day anymore. It's like the 16th, I believe, today. Yeah, it's the 16th. It's Sunday, so it's the 16th. Oh my god, this is really stuck. Oh, okay, got it off. So, we're going to put it on the wall. And I'm going to be using tape because I don't have any other method. So you guys can see me. I feel like this might be enough. I don't. So here's the final result of the background. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you with a new video very soon. Let me just test it out. Bye, guys.